Verse 8 with Amplified. My son,
My son,
hear the instruction of your father.
here, uyabona manje le ibeka right. Instruction of your father.
Ndodana yami izwe imiyalelo kababa.
Go on.
And do not reject the teaching of your mother.
Don't reject what? The teachings of your mother.
Ungazedeleli ifundiso
Not of a woman, of your mother.
zikanyoko. Hayo
Who teaches?
wesifazane.
The mother. Who takes care of the seed?
Ngubani onakekela imbewu na? Ngumama.
Who raises the children?
Ngubani
Ubani
okhulisa
ospenda isikhathi
abantwana?
esiningi nabantwana?
Abomama.
Should uyobheka imbewu, kodwa le mbewu iphuma kuphi?
Iphuma kwindoda.
She takes ownership. Turn from the vibe.
Bavikela ukuthi bangalunywa ibululu.
Because ikhesi ithi inyoka yoluma izithende zabantwana bakho. So if you don't teach, the snake will do?
Mawungafundisi inyoka izobaluma.
Inzima leyo. Yazi leyo bafuna ukuyizwa abantu. Wonke abafundisi inyoka iyeza because isiqalekiswe kumele ilume in abantwana bakho. That's why most women, they are the victims of trimming snakes.
Ingaka abafazi abaningi baphupha inyoka.
Whatever izalayo kumele ngenzeni ngihlasele.
Siyalwa.
But what will preserve the children?
Yini kanti ezogcina labantwana?
Teaching.
Ifundiso.
And you can't teach as a female. You
Angeke.
teach as a mother. You must go as a he.
Ufundisa njengomama uye njengowesilisa.
Carrying the instruction and a teaching.
Uphethe imiyalelo nezifundiso.
Repeat and go.
My son, hear the instruction of your father. And do not reject the teaching of your mother.
Do not reject the teachings of your mother.
Ayo
Garment of grace on your head.
ingubo yobuhle phekwe ekhanda la.
Ebantwaneni bakho ezobafundisa. Ingubo yani yomusa. Don't be under curse.
Ngeke baze
Don't be subjected to poison of snakes.
Angeke baze bahlukunyezwe ushevu wenyoka.
Now I want to take it slowly so that it hits deep now.
Ngifuna sihambe kancane kuzishaye kuzwele.
Repeat, go on. So your teachings as a mother, ufundisa kuphela. Kunengubo igqokisa umntwana wakho. Umfundisa kuphela. Bheka ayithi imiyalelo kababakho. Ithi imfundiso zakamama wakho ziyagqokisa.
Oh. Yeah.
Imfundiso zakamama wakho zenzani? Ziyagqokisa. But now it matters. Ugqokiswe yiphi ingubo?
Yeah.
Cala inkathazo yamanje.
Jesus.
Uvuka iphayiphayi ebandleni.
Hallelujah.
Ithi imfundiso kamama wakho zoba ingubo yomusa phezu kwakho.
Jesus.
Not only that, when you go out, it says it will make you like kings. Go on, you'll hear. Go on.
For they are a garland of grace on your head. And chains and ornaments of gold around your neck.
Chains and ornaments of gold around your name.
Umgeqo wegolide entameni yakho.
Teachings only.
Imfundiso nje zizodwa.
You will never find a lion teaching cubs how to fight, how to eat. You will never find them.
Angeke uzuthola ibhubesi lesilisa lifundisa abantwana ukudla
Yeah, she in a territory harm your hand.
nokuyobona.
And when it comes back, it teaches what? The cubs how to eat.
Ifundisa labantwana ukudla.
Then the lion is going to shift yale, fika ihlala phansi. And watches the catch as the cubs are eating.
Bese libheka nje lisadla laba bantwana.
So it means if you fall in a trap where you are taught by a female or you are taught by a woman,
Ukushuthi mawulahlekelwe
you might not be
lumla.
counted with the garment of grace.
Kungenzeka ungembeswa ngale ngubo yomusa.
Anything they teach you, you become it. If it's a garment of, if it's a poison coming from her heel, and she teaches you,
Akushefu osenyewe
like bitterness, hatred.
inzondo.
When ungacabanga ukuthi uyizimfundiso nje ukuthi yabona ubani bani, it's a snake, poison coming up.
Ukhuphuka ushevu yenhliziyweni.
Now she's producing a brood of vipers because she left motherhood.
Sekhiqiza abantwana beyinyoka ke ngoba kanabo ubumama.
Uthethe ubufazi.
Ayi.
uNkulunkulu amthembisa ukuba indoda. Hamil pai manje. That ability. Uthembe bona.
Jesus.
Ukuthi badlale in that role.
Badlale
But
leyo.
if she doesn't have the teachings,
Kodwa ifundiso mayengenazo,
if she doesn't have the mother spirit,
mayengenawo nomoya wobumama,
ubagqokisa ini? Ubagqokisa ini? They become what you are.
baba yiloko yiko.
And then when you no. If you don't have the garment of grace, you are not a mother, you are a woman.
Mawungena
It's the
ngubo yomusa.
garment of grace that qualifies you to be a
Ingubo yomusa kuvumela ukuthi ube umama.
the garment of grace,
Ingubo yomusa.
the garment of a seed that prospers against the head of a serpent.
Ingubo yempewu
What came
ephumelele
and helped
enyokeni.
us? Grace.
Sizomusa.
We were dirty, we were unqualified, we had bad character, we were all, but grace saved us.
Kodwa
So
umusa
if a
wasindisa.
mother has the garment of grace,
Umama ke mayine ngubo yomusa
she can save.
angasindisa. Hey,
She can save the children.
angasindisa
She
nabantwana.
can make her children to be born again.
Angenza nabantwana bazalwe kabusha.
She can make her children to know God.
Angenza nabantwana bamazi uNkulunkulu.
Ubaphushele enkosini. Akawaphusheli kuwesifazane. Ngoba owesifazane uhlala sempini nenyoka izomluma isithende. Marumama phithi izinyoka.
Ya.
Uyiqedele iability yokuluma. Ushiya injani ipowerless. So na ifika kakhona yithi abantwana bonke basindisiwe mayiluma bani. Because isithembiso ukuthi bazoluma ini abantwana bakho. So abantwana one day asave yoluma bani. Izaziluma yona. Yes, that's what the enemy is doing is in the end times. Wenza show ukuthi bonke abomama kuyadakwa bayajiva bavela ku TikTok. Because uwenza show ukuthi abaluze le authority usathi uNkulunkulu abanikeze yona yokudila noSatan. Let the kids be more corrupted.
Uthi abantwana bonakale ngokwedlulele.
Men are not influential, but women are influential. Yabona manje ngathi abafazi bayahlangana manje. But beza kawo, ngiyakutshela the pope shall dance. Manje bathi siyamlanda, bazokulanda.
Ya.
Yani uzowuza umoya, uzovuta abangifikele manje.
Hallelujah.
Mara amadoda hey man sizokhuluma nawe. Nafika baba, hey wena. Uhlanga uvuta mara amazo. That's how they use power, but they don't know the real power uNkulunkulu abanike yona.